Welcome back to RR Consultancy Services, where we teach you tips and tricks to shine in your academic career. So, today's topic is how you can do basic calculations using basic formulas in Excel. So, I'm sure you all know that how powerful MS Excel is when it comes to, calculations, data storing, data formatting, and everything. It is also a very powerful tool used in every sector, be it commercial, be it academic, be it any other sector. So you must know the basics of MS Excel. So suppose let's say this is there are some subjects like maths, English, Hindi, geography, history, science, and marks have been allocated as per each subject. So let's say the question is how you can get the total for a student um, in MS Excel. So you need to do is you have to calculate the total of these numbers, these marks that have been allocated. Let's say for Sham or Ram, whatever. So the first thing, the basic knowledge that you have to acquire is that calculations or formulas in MS Excel starts with this sign, which is equals to. I hope you all know this. Now, when you are trying to get total numbers, just type sum. Basically, when you are doing addition in MS Excel, you have to use equals to sum formula for getting the total. Okay, now open the brackets. You have to select the range of cells. Okay, for this example, you have to select the marks starting from maths to science. So the cell number or the cell range will be from B2 to B7. I hope this is very clear on your screens. Now please close the bracket and press enter. It is that easy. Okay, so this is the total marks for Mr. for Ram, which is a student. Okay, and he got 407 out of, there are, how many subjects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 600 he got 407. Not bad.